What's up guys, it's me back with another banger video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Today we're going to be playing some Leader Strike. Hope that's fun with you guys, but I don't know. I'm going to select Bush just because I haven't used them, I just unlocked them. So, seeing some modes right now. So I'm going to connect to this server. Get out my face, please. See an Abe and a couple are on my team, so it's me. Donald Trump, you're dead. Behind you. What are you looking at? A gun, bro. When you get stuck on things, help and you die. Oh, what should I buy? What should I buy? So is the rocket launcher. Why is it so loud? Look, I didn't even. Oh my Didn't. I feel like we can scope in with. But cool. My game is so laggy right now. Somebody kill me. Yeah, you. Kill me. Kill me. Come on. Teammate. a minigun, what you guys have? I have it. Just say, how did you my day? Oh, babe, get out of my face. Okay, thanks to the minigun. Minigun time. Oh, get out of here. Video and I'll finish the gun. Should I buy a gun? I'm going. Get out of my game, bro. Okay, tell me when y'all are friendly. Let's try to prove I'm actually a member on this game, so all their icons say Destiny. What is going on? Oh, I didn't lock my phone. Hey, no! What is going on? It's my chest. And I can. It's a lot. Okay. Dang, I got it. Oh my god, this is not happening. I hate this, bro. Like, why?